Good morning to all of you. This is Ranjan from Smart Finance. So in today's video presentation, I am going to describe how you can utilize VIX for identifying the coming trend. So as you know, earlier also a couple of videos I have published, and those levels work perfectly. So I will just show you those levels once more, and then after we will be proceeding towards the today's session. So this is the calculations we did when the VIX has peaked near to 83%, and here too this video is being given to you 3 months before. So English and Hindi, how to identify market bottom using the VIX and Fibonacci. Then also post these things, I have again given a couple of videos for follow-up, and in fact we have done a crisis analysis here 2008 to 2020, what is the difference and all. Here too also I spoke little about the VIX. I have also released 3 weeks before one video how to find out the Nifty bottom from 10,533. So this is also 2 videos are being released here. So all these videos you can find it in my YouTube channel. If you are subscribed to the channel, then you will be getting those videos. So today, this is the calculations we did, and the last video which I have published 3 weeks before, I have told you this analysis, and I have told you that if Nifty manages to cross over this 10,377 level, then it has all probability to touch 11,258. And as per our long-term VIX analysis also, 11,258 was the level we have expected. And this is 3 months before we did this calculation, when the VIX has peaked or made a top of 86% and settled at 83.60. So almost we are in the verge of completing this, and only 100 and odd point is left for our last estimation of 11,257. So what is the way forward? Beyond this, what we expect? And during this period, lot many things also happened. Exact time sequence it has matched. Everything is happened. Now, way forward, if it is touching 11,258, beyond this, what need to be done? Whether it should, what will be the bottom and top of this thing? Can we able to use the same 83% of VIX, or we can use something different? So these are the things I am going to describe today. And before I start my session, I have to make one small announcement. We have scheduled one free webinar, how to identify rally or correction using the VIX. How to know the rally or correction will continue based on the WT Gann's analysis. So these 2 subjects I have chosen, and these are very important subjects. Most of the times you are identifying a rally, but you are exiting early, or there is a correction, you are exiting early. So to know that using the VIX, I have just scheduled this particular program. So you can participate in this program, and it is scheduled on 24th and 25th of July, 7 to 8 p.m. evening. This is a Friday and this is Saturday. So 24th and 25th of July, 24th and 25th, Friday and Saturday. And this is the link, and this link also you will get in the video description. Once you are opening up the video, you will get in the description, or in the community tab also I will be giving that things. Also in the video description, any video you open, you will get one description here. So here the descriptions used to be given. So this description section I will be providing that link. So do join. Also invite your friends to join this program. So this is more about the VIX we are going to explore on this two event, and it is a free event. So it is a 1 hour free event. So you can join that. So as you know, Smart Finance is the only company who has extensively used the volatility in the trend forecast. So in trend forecast, we have utilized the volatility to its maximum extent. You talk about our one standard deviation software, you talk about our any of this software. So we have utilized the volatility concept in trend forecast to the maximum extent. All our softwares uses the volatility concept, real-time volatility concept. And this VIX is nothing but your volatility index. So this is also a form of volatility which is associated with Nifty. So this is what the impact of volatility in the market. So now coming to my subject discussion. So I will request all of you view this video till the end. Do share with your friends, and if you like this video, then just give a like. So here we are going to start a calculations, and our aim of the calculation is, once we have started with 83% of VIX and we are almost in the completion stage, 11,258 is the completion stage of our top formation. Beyond this, what will be the next tops and the next bottoms that we are going to identify. So for that, our job is whether we can utilize this 83.60 VIX which has happened earlier, or we will take something different. So for that, what I did here, I have just taken the all VIX what have happened in this year, January 2020 to till date 20th July. I am just recording it on the 21st of July. So till this date, what was the VIX open, high, low, close, everything I have just downloaded. And I am using one statistical term called median. So you can say that there is a mean also having two names, geometric mean, harmonic mean, mode. Mode means the data which repeats maximum time. Median is nothing but the mid value of this thing, or this is the center point of a value. So the center VIX. So during this period of January to till date, there was a higher VIX happened, 86 point something happened in the March. January time also it has fallen down to some 12% level. So currently we are 24-25 level. So what is the median? So median is coming to 29.14. So this statistical median we are taking because we need a unbiased data, one neutral data point. So for that reason only, we are just taking the help of the statistical parameter called median. So median value of our open, high, low, close of this entire VIX scenario which has happened in the month of January to till date. So this is the median function available. So 29.14. So why I am taking this median? Because whatever the job the 83.60 VIX has to do, it has already performed its job. So no more it is relevant for further analysis. It has happened in the month of March when it was in the peak stage. So we took that, we did a calculation, we found out a bottom, we have found the top, and almost all tops we have achieved. Bottom also we have verified. So we have a bottom at 7462, and we just also gone till 751, 2.618 retracement level we have made, and this is our reversal levels we have set. So this has also come. So now, so I am taking the 29.14 VIX, which is the median VIX, and which is my last top to 11,257. You must ask me why this ratio 2 is being taken and not beyond that. So these are the 1.27 to 1.618 or 1.236 also. So here 2, these ratios of our Fibonacci sequence is known as the inverse ratios. Inverse ratio means if your 0.5 is a ratio, if you divide 1 divided by 0.5, so you will be getting, so 1 divided by 0.5, so this will give you 2. So same way 0.618, this is also a ratio. If you divide 1 divided by 0.618, so you will get 1.618. So these are the inverse ratio. Post this inverse ratio, there is growth ratio starts. Growth ratio starts. So this is 2.618, 4.237. So these are the growth ratios. And we stopped the bottom at one of the first growth ratio. First growth ratio, we have stopped the bottom, and bottom used to be having a higher volatility. So for this reason, I'm just taking the termination of this reversal band at 2, because this is the end point of our inverse ratio. Beyond 2, all Fibonacci ratios are the growth ratio or expansion ratios. So I'm just taking the 11,258. After taking this 11,258 price point, I'm just using the same method what I have followed earlier. I'm just going to find out the monthly VIX. So which is you can say that, so this is the VIX. I have square root of 30, then monthly price range. So here I have just taken the VIX, whatever the VIX is there, and this is the, so here we are just taking the square root of 30. So by this process, we are finding out the monthly VIX, and we are finding out the monthly price range. Once we get this price range, what we need to do here, we got a price range, and this particular price range need to be multiplied with this all growth ratios and also all your Fibonacci ratios and its inverse ratios. So these are the inverse ratios, growth ratio. So this will give us the major top, major bottom, minor top and minor bottom. So if I calculate it from the 11,258, so I am getting the 11,856 is my major top, and my first bottom will be 10,659. This is the major bottom and major top. Once this levels penetrate, then I can go for the higher tops and lower bottoms. So these are the things. If 659 broken, then 496, 288, 10,060 I can expect. 856 broken, I'll be expecting 12,020, 12,200. These are the major top and major bottom. However, the minor top and minor bottom, which is basically we require for our trading, because we cannot have a big targets for our trading. So this minor bottoms and minor top is forming at 11,359, 399, 486, and minor bottoms are 116 and 11,029. So these two levels and these two levels. So now the major hurdles will be coming once these minor tops are making. So first confirmation of a bigger move you can get once the Nifty crosses 11,487. So this will set for a bigger up move, and this bigger up move will find out a hurdles at 11,628 to 728. This hurdles is very important. If it crosses these hurdles, then you can go for the higher. Same way, if the minor bottoms it is forming, and this minor bottom will be finding out a toughest support here, 10,887 to 787. So this levels, if it is forming 10,887 to 787, if it breaks that, then it will fall further, or else it will be bouncing back. So I request all of you to watch out these levels. So now for the time being, we are at 11,000. For the time being, we are at 11,140 level. So once we cross, now our top is sitting at 11,258. So post that only we can have estimation 11,258 level. Once this level comes, then these are the levels will be valid. From here, if the correction starts, then you will be finding out 11,116 and 29, and these levels should come. So if the rally continues, then it can find out a hurdles here. So these are the levels you need to watch out for the Nifty once it crosses 11,258. So now, as I told again in the beginning part, we have scheduled in this session that how to identify a rally or correction. So this is very important. Using the VIX, how to identify, know that rally or correction will continue based on the Gann's time analysis. So simple Gann's time analysis. So these two concepts, if you want to learn, join this program. And to join this program, you will find out the link in the description part of this video. So keep following this video. If you like, give a like here, share with your friends, and do join me on 24th and 25th July to learn more about VIX. And if you are having any interest in the smart finance intraday software or option strategy software or any of our courses, which is highly scientific in nature, highly mathematical in nature, and those courses are very much affordable and you can able to learn and make use of that. If you have any query on those courses, you can call us here, or you can just visit the product section of our website and procure this course, buy this course. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.